Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add someone on Google Chat on your device, on your phone device. Here, in order to do that, you have to update your Google Chat first. You can go to the Play Store. Here you can find Google Chat. If you don't have Google Chat, you can try to download it, install it for free on your device. So here, what's new? Last update on December 11, 2024. Current version for Google Workspace customers only include direct messages, group chats, and platform integration with Google Apps. So let's start by open your Google Chat. And here, in order to add someone, so here you can try to search in chat, or you can try to tap on this messages icon, the blue one. You can tap it, and here we go. You can add person by email, for example. So you can find your a friend, for example this one. Done. Tap done at the top of your screen. Now this conversation will start. So you can try voice messages. Tap on the microphone button to start recording. You can share your media, or you can type something, or give add emojis, smiley, and emoticons. And here, if you tap plus button, you can share again. You can share your photos, camera, GIF, Google Meet links, files, or files from your Google Drive, and calendar invite. And here, if you tap on this username, you can try to delete the conversation or his chat history by turn this off. So history is off. Messages sent now are deleted in 24 hours. Or you can try to delete all the conversation by tap this option. Deleting conversation from your history is permanent. Other participants can still view this conversation. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.